Hi, I'm James Boyle,
And I'm Katie Boyle.
and we're the Boyle Real Estate Team. With Thanksgiving just around the corner, we're having our annual Thanksgiving Day Pie giveaway. This is a small token of our appreciation for your trust and support in us and our real estate business.
So stop by our house on Tuesday, November 26th, anytime between 3:30 and 7. We're going to have hot coffee, hot cider, a DJ. You can just swing by, pick up your homemade delicious pie. You can stay and hang out and we can catch up a while, or you can get back to cooking.
The RSVP deadline will be November 15th. So if you can make your selection by then, that would be great. And we're also going to be collecting some Thanksgiving Day goodies for Millville Hope Center. It could be stuffing, mashed potatoes, that kind of stuff. And we just want to bless them with a little bit of Thanksgiving joy.
And the list for that is also on the RSVP. So you can hop on the RSVP, you can select which pie you want, and then also it has a list of what Millville Hope Center is collecting.
Thanks, guys. Look forward to seeing you.
Thank you.